Hola amigos! Today I'm so excited to share with you a highly requested recipe, my chilled lemon soufflé. It's light and tangy and I serve it with a crunchy coconut crumb and some blueberries. It's not actually a soufflé, it just looks like one, thanks to the ingenious way in which it's set. Let's start by making our coconut crumb. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees. In a food processor blitz, 40 grams each of cubed butter, white sugar, plain flour, and desiccated coconut until it resembles breadcrumbs. If you don't have a food processor, that's fine. Just go old school and use your fingers. Spread onto a paper-lined baking tray and bake for 10 minutes. Using a fork, stir it around and bake for another 5 minutes. Remove from the oven and set aside to cool. Crumble using your fingertips if you see any big bits. This is probably the trickiest part of the whole recipe. Grab some glasses. They must have flat edges around the sides or else it won't hold the soufflé mix. Cut strips of baking paper. Wrap the paper to form a collar. I like to use a bit of masking tape to help them stay put. Secure with some kitchen string near the top. Now to our soufflé mix. We're gonna soak 3 gelatin leaves in some cold water for 5 minutes. Gently squeeze to remove the excess water. And put in a small saucepan together with 3/4 of a cup of lemon juice. Stir over low heat until the gelatin has completely dissolved. It won't take that long. Set it aside. Put 4 egg yolks, 150 grams of castor sugar, and 1 teaspoon of lemon zest in a small heat-proof bowl and place over a saucepan of barely simmering water. Whisk until thick and pale, around 5 minutes. Then add the lemon and gelatin mixture and whisk well. Remove from the heat and sit the bowl in a dish of iced water, stirring occasionally until cool. Whisk 4 egg whites at high speed until soft peaks form. Be careful not to beat them to stiff peaks, or it will be too thick to fold them into the soufflé. Gently fold a large spoonful of egg whites through the egg yolk mixture. Then fold in the remaining egg whites until just combined. Whip 1 cup of thickened cream into soft peaks form. Then fold it through the lemon mixture. Okay, we're ready to assemble. Spoon 4 tablespoons of that coconut crumb. Then spoon the soufflé mixture so it comes up around 1 centimeter above the rim of the glass. We're gonna refrigerate this for at least 3 hours. Remove the string and paper from the soufflés. Oh, just look at that. How impressive does that look? It makes it look like the soufflé has risen. Top with some blueberries and dust some icing sugar. And add a little bit more lemon zest. Oh wow, that texture is incredible. So light and airy, almost marshmallowy like. It's like eating a cloud. This is what I imagine a cloud to feel like in your mouth, a zesty cloud. The lemon shines, it's nice and tangy, and when you reach that coconut crumb, yum! It adds a great textural element, and those blueberries, they go so well with the lemon. I can't wait for you guys to make this at home. As always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week with another recipe. Adios, amigos!